Did you know that there's a plant that can improve your eyesight no matter how old you are? Lenses and eyeglasses surely help us see better, but they don't treat the root of the problem. However, there is a way that will help you ditch your eyeglasses and restore your eyesight in no time. Our eyes need different nutrients in order to function. They require vitamins A, C, and E, antioxidants such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, anthocyanins, and fatty acids. All of these nutrients can be found in different foods, which will help you improve your vision. The remedy we're going to present will instantly improve your vision even if you're old, and is made of completely natural ingredients which are not hard to find. Here's what you need. Ingredients: 500 gr of crushed walnuts, 300 gr of organic honey, 100 gr of aloe vera gel, lemon juice from 3 to 4 lemons. Preparation: just mix all the ingredients in a blender and it's done. Take a tablespoon of the remedy 3 times a day 30 minutes before meals and repeat the process until you see improvements. The remedy is a powerful vitamin bomb which will restore your eyesight and improve your overall health. Note: don't drink aloe vera juice if you're in the last trimester of pregnancy or suffering from acute renal disease or gastrointestinal disorders. The juice should also be avoided if you're suffering from tuberculosis and hemorrhoids. The aloe vera plant you're using for any recipe should never be older than 3 years.